Well, today is, what is the date today?
26.
The 26th of July, 2022. It is a Tuesday. And it is 3:37 p.m. Johnny and I are in Elgin, Iowa. And, the temp is probably about 78 degrees. Just a tad, little bit of a, what would we say, about 60% humidity.
Yeah.
Fairly comfortable day. This is a short little ride that we take occasionally here in Elgin, and we'll just chronicle it here on the GoPro for anyone who wants to have a easy, quick ride that I'm guessing probably be no more than 20-30 minutes. We'll check that out for sure. And but a very scenic ride, and let's get going here, see what this entails. We normally make this ride a little later in the day, kind of wait for things to cool down a little bit, but since we had such a nice day today, thought we'd maybe get out mid-afternoon and check it out. And we'll be adding this video to our Trails in and around West Union, Iowa website for people who want to explore some of the recreational resources we have here in this area. I'll let you go ahead there, Johnny. Hey. It's a very nice path here. I would say, what would you say, Johnny, about 8 foot wide or more? I'm guessing about at least 8 foot. So plenty wide, you know, if you meet another walker or a biker, you know, neither one of the people have to take to the shoulder. Yeah, I noticed the river in Independence yesterday. I was in there. It seemed like it was up. Wasn't overly high, but seemed up. Well, the thing I like about this ride is it's a short ride. Short ride, but it has a lot of variety as far as countryside scenery, as you'll see as we get into this. It's going through a little park here, city park, and a river. Johnny, what river is that? Oh, that's a Turkey River.
Just above the bridge is where Otter Creek comes in.
Oh.
Which is our Echo Valley stream.
Okay. Johnny says Otter Creek comes into the Turkey just above the bridge here. Yeah. And Otter Creek is, of course, the creek that goes through the Echo Valley Park. Hey. How you doing? Good, good. Now this is interesting. This field ahead of us, normally we see right out across that field, but we got some 8-foot stalks of corn there, so we're not going to be looking across that field today. Hi.
Hi.
That's the third biker we've seen today. Seen 2 young boys and this gal. We've just started here, so see how many people we see on this trail. Yeah, nice, what is this, concrete, or what do you call it?
Yeah.
Concrete trail?
Wide, mowed plenty wide.
Yeah. Oh. Except if you have a, what's that thing called?
Side by side.
That thing? Yeah, if you got one of those, then you pretty much have either we need to get off the path or they use the shoulder.
With the yellow flashing light, I'm assuming that he's part of the maintenance crew.
It's a little breeze today. Very comfortable.
Pleasant. Yes.
Yeah, very comfortable riding. Normally we would go straight ahead here, but we're going to take a little bit of a side trip here just to check out these flags and that structure up here, see what that is. Well, there's one that says, I think, Wisconsin on it. Would those be the state, maybe state flags? So if so, there'd be 50 of them.
That Lone Star.
Yeah. I wonder if that wouldn't be. Does that say Oregon on that one? Yeah, that must be the state flags. Gilbertson Nature Center. Johnny, what is Gilbertson?
I think that there was a Gilbertson that was involved in the donation of some property to this project. We can maybe cut through here down to that gravel road.
Tell you what, I'm going to go down the sidewalk here. You go that way. Oh, hey, there's a road down here. This is kind of new territory, as we normally don't ride in this area, but it looks like this interfaces with our, there's Johnny way ahead of me, interfaces with our regular trail that we're on. Got some big chunks of gravel here, so I'm going to be careful. Howdy. Okay, zoo trails. I think we'll just go down to the zoo. Hello.
You're way ahead of the Ragbri guys.
That's not my speed at all. I like to be home in a comfortable bed at night.
There you go. Instead of sleeping in a tent. So.
Oh, I don't see how they do it, but that's their thing, I guess.
Yeah.
Hello, guys. Oh, what you doing? How you doing there, huh? Yeah. Looks like we got some little, is that a little donkey or something?
I think so.
Couple goats here,
Goats, yeah.
and something else over there.
Creatures over there sleeping. I don't know what they're.
Do not enter the, oh, it is closed.
Keeping us cleaned up nice.
Yeah?
I think those are goats too.
You guys must have plenty to eat, huh? Yeah, there's a, looks like there's some trails up there. There was a sign that says zoo one way and trails the other, so I don't know what those entail.
Like biking or walking?
Well, I didn't really look. I was more concerned about getting down here.
Yeah.
But that'll be something to check out in the future.
We got some kitties. Look at the 3 kitties.
Oh, we hit the bonanza. Oh, we hit the bonanza today. Oh, look at these guys. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. I tell you, we got some good kitties here. What's this up here? We got some kitties up here. Yes, we do. Oh, such good kitties, yes. Such good kitties, oh my goodness. And this guy over here, is he just resting? Oh, he doesn't even look up. He's so comfortable. Yes, you guys. Oh, yes. You're a good boy. Well, should we press on?
Sure.
Now that we've seen the kitties, what more is there?
Pretty relaxed.
Yeah. One didn't even open, didn't even look up. Okay. Now normally we would have come down this little stretch up here to the right. Not too, less than a quarter of a mile probably. And anyway, we took kind of a detour. Off to the right here is a little pond where we usually see people fishing.
This guy down there's got one on, Doug.
We're down here?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Huh.
See what comes up. Yeah, he's got something on.
Well, that guy might have a fish. Again, this is Elgin, Iowa, which is, oh gosh, this can't be much more than 6 miles from West Union, or?
Yeah, probably. 6 to 8 range.
Yeah.
Depending on where you start.
From
come down.
From Johnny's place, it's probably more like 5 or 6 miles,
Yeah.
huh? So, right in our backyards, we got this wonderful recreational area, trails. So, if a person were on this road here to our left,
yes.
where does that lead?
Well, that would take us up to Gunder.
Oh, Gunder. Okay.
And then we would meet an intersection there. If you went to the left, it would take you back to Claremont. If we went to the right, it would take us over to where you could take a turn and a short hike into the little community of St. Olaf. They've got a great little restaurant over there for sandwiches. Or if you stayed on the main line, it'd take you into Elkader.
Okay. And I understand that restaurant in Gunder is reopened, so.
Oh, sure.
That used to be a
pretty good spot.
Yeah, I don't know, haven't heard.
We've eaten there a couple of times since. And
oh, you have?
Yep.
Since they reopened?
Yep.
Oh.
Quite happy.
Okay. Well, right here is where we normally end our ride and head back. And I don't know if this trail goes any further. I don't think it does.
I don't believe so, Doug.
And so it stops right here at the river.
We do have a canoe access down that little mode path.
Do you feel up to walking down there?
Sure, sure.
Why don't we go down and,
a little hike,
since we're taking some video, and I'm going to just double check, make sure my camera is running, because that'd be horrible if we didn't have those kitties on there. Ah, looks like it's running. That's the high point of this whole trip, is those kitties.
Well, this area that we're at is commonly referred to as the Narrows.
Okay.
There's a lot of nice fish have been caught here. Popular spot with anglers.
Okay. One thing I noticed today, more so than our other rides, a lot of traffic. I'm hearing a lot of
Cars.
yeah. So this is the Turkey River then, correct?
It's on its way to Elgin.
Alrighty. You know what? Would you want to go down over to that area just for the heck of it, or
We can if you'd like.
just kind of see what that? We've seen people walk over to that area, and we speculate that they're fishing. Kind of investigate this a little bit. Oh, we got kind of a
Yeah, it's not muddy right now.
well, I guess this is about as far as we're gonna go.
Yeah, we're
But-
gonna get into the soup
Yeah,
here next.
but I suppose you could put your kayak or your canoe in here.
Sure. Here's evidence of coons. See the little
Oh yeah.
hands down there? They come down to places like this and look for aquatic life.
Yeah, over here I see quite a few little
Yeah,
footprints.
very fresh. They were probably here today.
Oh, okay. And over here it looks like there's a path, but there's water, so we're not gonna try to. It's hard to tell actually. Would fishing be any good right in here or not?
Now this may not be bad because we've got an eddy. The high flow is out there, which the fish won't stay in that high a flow for long. This swirls back in here a little bit, and it'll be depositing food. So this could potentially be a pretty good spot. Their custom tracks.
Yeah. We both have a Trek Versa 2 and a great bicycle. Just love it. There's our petting zoo to the right. Nature Center, huh? Someday we'll explore that, see what that's all about. I think they keep these gates up to keep vehicles, motorized vehicles, off these paths. I guess I should say unauthorized motor vehicles. Johnny has a pellet grill, and I swear you could put dog food on that thing and it would end up tasting great.
Even use dog food.
But I think if you're going to get a grill, that's probably the way to go anymore, these pellet grills. Use little pellets of wood, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're compressed wood chips, sawdust. Not just sure where.
Now I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to just go down, since we're making a video. Just got to see where this thing goes over here. We'll resume the pellet grill story. I see this every time I'm out here and I'm always curious. Okay. Goes up to the road. Okay. That's pretty much it then. It wasn't much, it just was about a maybe 30-40 foot path that led up to the road.
Oh.
But anyway, you're talking about the pellet grill.
Fire.
And you just buy these pellets in a big bag, right? Like at a Menards, or
Yeah.
can you get them at like a Walmart or not?
You know, I've never bought at Walmart, but our local farm fleet carries a good selection.
Okay.
So I think the farm stores around, and of course the Menards, and maybe some of the other building supply stores might have them. So
How big is a bag?
oh, there are some 20 pounds, but the most economical purchase is a 40-pound bag.
And just casual grilling, not every night, but how long would that last?
Oh, I think a 40-pound bag would probably last me half of the grilling season.
Oh, okay. Now there's a post that they put in here to discourage people on those golf carts and motorized whatever they are to stay off these. Good idea.
I would think by the time if you had one man doing the mowing, the time he got done with it all, it'd be time to start over again.
Yeah. Well, normally this kind of completes the round trip, but we normally then go down into town, loop around once, and so we'll just turn right here on the highway and drive. We're at 2.9 miles right now total, so but we'll have a quick tour of beautiful Elgin, Iowa. We're on Main Street. Gilbertson Motors. I think my grandparents used to buy vehicles from them. Elgin Tap. To the right we got Datsy's restaurant. I don't know if that's still open or not. It opened to quite a bit of fanfare here several years ago. The gal that opened it was
Just open on the door.
okay. She was kind of a celebrity. I think she had a program on the Golf Channel and had dated a Billy Bob Thornton. Now there is another bike trail that kind of interfaces with Elgin on the other side of town that we will be making a video of in the near future. But that goes all the way to Claremont and beyond. And we were on that the other day just to investigate, and it's a little, I would put it in maybe the intermediate category. Not quite as easy ride as this one. Well, here we are back at the car. Total mileage 3.5 miles, and the actual biking time was 33 minutes. So that is our Elgin ride, and we'll sign off for now.